Hello friends, I am CA Rohit Gyanchandani and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel FinCademy. Friends, today we are bringing you part 7 of our Basics of Stock Market series where we will discuss about annual report. So, now annual report is the most important thing a company gives to shareholders with respect to the information sharing. Now pay attention here. Annual report is a comprehensive report of activities conducted by a company during the entire year of its operations. So whatever company does in a year, so accounting year is 1st April to 31st March, whatever it has done, financial and non-financial information is shared in the annual report. Now let's try to find out what are the contents of this annual report. Number 1 is company profile. What is company's business, how long it has been in the business, since when it has started, all those things are mentioned in this. So if you are a new investor and do not have any idea about the company, this is the document you need to download and learn about the company's history, right? Products and services. What is the product or service that company delivers to its customers for making profit? Performance summary, how they have performed in the year. Then there is very important topic of chairman and managing director's message. See, management gets this chance to communicate to its shareholders with respect to the performance done by a company in the entire year. So manager or the management or the chairman of the company writes a letter to its shareholders. This letter is part of annual report. So there he explains all the challenges and the opportunities that business has or business is facing. Is that right? Then there is management and discussion analysis, where all the risks, opportunities, threats are being discussed and the strategies to mitigate that or exploit the opportunities are also present. Now we are going to see a live example of annual report. I have downloaded an annual report and I have marked the important points in that, and we are going to see how to read this annual report. This is a basics video. Then there is a board report with more information about company and its financials. And finally, there are financial statements and notes to accounts where company declares its results, how much cash it has deployed, how much profit it has generated, sales, assets, everything they discuss in the financial statements. This particular part we are going to cover in the next videos. Is that right? So let's go. Now, this is the annual report of Hindustan Unilever Limited. It is one of the largest FMCG companies in India. Now let's try to understand all the points that we see. Now here they have given contents of the annual report. So all these things that I have discussed, they are mentioned here. Let's directly jump into the company profile. See here. So in company profile, they have mentioned that Hindustan Unilever Limited is India's largest FMCG company with an heritage of 480 years. So now we know it is an 80 years old company. More than 9 out of 10 Indians household use one or the more of our brand to feel good. So every 9 out of 10 houses in India use one or the other product of Hindustan Unilever. This is really strong. This shows the strength of company's products. Then they have given details about their divisions. How many divisions do they have? 3. Home care, beauty and personal care, and food and refreshment. So they have divided their business into 3 parts. Now there are details about their products. See here, the Surf Excel, Rin, Wheel, all these detergents, we know they are brands of Hindustan Unilever. Then there is Lifebuoy, Dove, Fair and Lovely, Ponds, all these beauty products, Vaseline, Clinic Plus, Sunsilk, shampoo and all these things are. Lakme is HUL's product. Pepsodent Close Up toothpaste, these are again HUL's. Axe, Brook Bond, Lipton, all these tea, and then Quality Walls and all that ice cream products, all these are HUL's brand. Now these are very well known and iconic brands of India. Okay, so this shows the strength of company. They have, so here there is one more information. See, I told you for analyzing the financial statements, you need to have eye for detail, right? So see here, I have found one paragraph where they say they have effectively completed the merger with GlaxoSmithKline and they have acquired 2 very large brands, that is Horlicks and Boost. We all know Horlicks and Boost, they are milkshake brands. They are direct competition to Bournvita. So amongst these, now already company has such huge brands and they have acquired 2 more. So this is the sales driver. This will drive the growth for company in future. Company has 8 million outlets across India. So company has a distribution network of 80 lakh outlets across India, which is very big. Here is one more information. Company has 21,000 employees, 31 company owned factories and 15 offices. More than 1150 suppliers work with the company for supply chain management. See, there are 4,500 distributor. What is a distributor? A person who purchases bulk quantity from company and then distribute it to small shopkeepers. So company has 4,500 distributors. So this is the information. Now I have marked important points. When you read an annual report, you need to read each and every single line. I want to finish this video. This is a short video. If I were to read the entire annual report, it will take more than 3-4 hours, right? But I am just marking the important points. Your job is to read it fully. Now see here, this is important part where I said that chairman or managing director's statement comes or a message to shareholder comes. See here, he mentions that the year saw a challenging business environment with lower GDP and weakening consumer sentiments and lower demand for company's product, which is not a good news. Then here he talks about dividend. The board has proposed a final dividend of 14 rupees. There was an interim dividend of 11 rupees. So total dividend for the year was 25 rupees. Now, what is dividend? I have already explained this in previous video. I believe in part 5 I have explained in corporate actions what is dividend. If you don't understand what is dividend, go and check part 5. I have explained there. Then they say Lakme continued to be India's #1 cosmetics brand. In skin cleansing brands such as Dove, Pierce led the premiumization. So Lakme, the company's brand, is #1 by market share. Here is some more detail. They have launched a new product called Love and Care for fabric solutions. So maybe something to wash clothes. Another new launch. Here is another new launch. We launched the iconic Hellmann's mayonnaise in Kolkata this year. Then they have launched few ice creams, fresh new ice creams. Then they talk about the merger with GlaxoSmithKline's business where they acquired Horlicks and Boost. Now they have not only launched their new products, but they have also bought existing amazing products, existing bigger brands to grow the sales. See here, they have merged with certain brands to strengthen their position in the segment. Now buying a already well established brand will ensure that you start making profit from day one. Is that right? So they have done that also. Here one more thing that the chairman and managing director has addressed is that we have delivered EBITDA of 9,600 crores. Our EBITDA margins are at highest. So margins are growing and they have crossed profit for first time of 6,700 crores. This is for the first time. So company is doing good. This is details of management team. Now here, performance summary of the company. See, they have given the breakup of revenue, segmental revenues. 45% revenue has come from beauty and personal care, 19% has come from food and refreshment, 35% has come from home care. All these things are there. Few things I have marked is here that they have improved their margins by 100 basis points, which is 1%. It's a good thing. Their EPS, earning per share, has increased, and cash flow from operations, that means cash generation, has increased by 1357 crores, which is a good number. So this is the performance summary. Now you have to read all these things. I am going to just cover the important aspects. You have to read the entire annual report to get a sense of company. Now here is the important paragraph of management discussion and analysis. They have addressed various issues. Now I am going directly to the shareholders' concerns here. Shareholders. So whatever their concerns are, whatever their questions were, how they are going to address it, they have given the information here. You can read it. I have marked certain important points here. Just let's understand these. Now, like you already know, they have three segments. One is beauty and personal care, second is home care, and third one is food and refreshments. In these paragraphs, they have explained how they are going to, improve the segment by launching new products, strengthening the existing products, growing their distribution channel, and what are the new growth and marketing strategies for each segment. See here, beauty and personal care, they have explained here that how they are going to strengthen the growth segments. Then on the next page, they have shown us that winning in growth channels, that means growing their distribution network, fueling the growth engine by new marketing models, again new marketing strategies. So they have given us in-depth detail. With respect to home care segment also, similar details, how they are going to strengthen the growth, how they are going to win the new growth channels, and how they are going to fuel the future growth. All these things with food and nourishment also. So this is really important. You need to read this paragraph to get a gist of how the growth of company is going to come from. What are the channels? How is company planning to grow? Right? So this is one paragraph. There is one more paragraph. So you have to read, I am saying this again and again, you have to read the entire annual report to get gist of the company. Do not skip it. This is a short video. That's why I am showing you how to read it. I am just telling you how to find important paragraphs and read. Now, here is the risks in the board report. here they have identified risk. So one of the risk is brand preference risk. For example, if all of a sudden people change their taste preferences and they do not drink or they do not apply Fair and Lovely cream, then what is going to happen to company and how are they going to manage such risk? They have given details about that. See, key risks are identified and details on how they are managed are being provided. All the risk, supply chain risk in this pandemic, all the transportation, everything was closed, and how the company managed its supply chain, how they still kept on selling goods. You have to read this and understand what is their strategy. Then there is business transformation risk, plastic packaging risk. A lot of products of company come in plastic packaging. So what are the risks and how they are mitigating it? Quality and safety risk. Talent risk. Talent risk means how company is retaining its good employees, how they are managing the employees, how they are ensuring that employees don't leave the organization, all these things. So you have to read all these important points to get a gist of what company does. There is further another thing now here in financial statements, which we are going to cover in next video, but I'll just show you the financial statements are also part of annual report. So they should be here somewhere. Right. So these are financial statements. See, balance sheet, assets, liabilities, and all those things are given here. Right. So that's all for understanding the annual report. This is just a basic video. You have to yourself read the entire annual report. Is that right? Thanks a lot for watching this video, friends. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also do share your feedback about this video in comment section. Friends, we run a WhatsApp broadcast list where we share interesting articles on finance and stock market on regular basis. To join our WhatsApp broadcast list, do send a hi on this number and we will add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. You can also ask your queries related to any of our videos on our WhatsApp and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, see you in next video.